Hello everyone, this is your friend Sabiha. Welcome back to our channel Stairs to Excellence, where we will talk about real teaching stories. No filters, no fairy tales. So today I am sharing the most chaotic, embarrassing and powerful day of my teaching journey. A day that tested me. A real classroom moment. One that I'm sure every teacher has faced, whether you are a B.Ed intern or a seasoned pro, will relate to. A class that just wouldn't focus. And trust me, no B.Ed textbook, no exam, and no lesson plan can prepare you for this one. So let's dive in. Now, this happened during my internship. And yes, one more important thing, just after the lunch break. Now you can imagine easily how classroom will look like, right? So if you're a teacher, you already know that this time slot is the danger zone. Okay. Then few students came in slowly, dragging their feet like they were walking into a punishment cell and not a classroom. Some had tiffins still open. One student had chips in his pocket and I still don't know why. Another group at the back was giggling about something. And me, I was standing there and trying to find out even one pair of eyes looking at me. Okay, I took a deep breath, tried to smile, started my class with the usual greeting. And guess what? 2 students responded, and that's it. Because few students were full sleepy and barely functioning, and the rest were either in food coma or outer space. Now, I had 2 options. So I was thinking what to do. Option A was to raise my voice and bring out the strict teacher mode. Option B, I think I can wait, give them a warning, and maybe send a few outside. But then I paused. I looked around the room because these were not just students misbehaving. These were kids tired after break, carrying moods and distraction. And here I was trying to deliver a lesson like a robot. So instead of shouting, I did something completely unexpected. And I chose option C. Yes, I activated story mode. I walked slowly to the center of the classroom and said calmly but clearly, "Students, let me tell you something, and the moment anyone gets distracted, I will stop myself." Now that got their attention. Heads turned, silence slowly spread, and I just began telling a story. Nothing dramatic, nothing fancy, just a simple story related to life, learning, and choices. And as I spoke, I saw the shift. They leaned in. No explanation, no textbook, just connection. And trust me, all eyes were on me. Yes. While telling them a story, I used different expression, different voices, and I have added and created suspense too. They were there, present, they were listening. And that's when I remembered something from my own school days. You know, in our 10th standard, our English teacher used to do exactly this. Before starting a poem or a chapter, he would share a piece of himself. A childhood memory, a fight with his brother, or something about his family. And we loved it. We were teenagers. But we listened with so much attention because he led us into his world. And then smoothly, without any force, he would say, "So students, that's exactly what the poem is about, okay?" And we would be like, "Whoa, sir, we were in the lesson without even realizing it." So that memory was gold for me. And that day in class, I used it. No yelling, no punishment, just a calm redirection. That day, I learned which no B.Ed book had taught me. That discipline does not always mean control. Sometimes it means connection. And from that day onwards, I started using storytelling method to start new lessons, to explain tough topics or complex topic, or to bring back students' attention in my class. So if you are a new teacher, remember this trick. Sometimes storytelling can be your strongest strategy. Don't fight the noise, just redirect it. Because students don't always need discipline. Sometimes they just need a doorway. Use a story, use a hook, use your human side, okay? It's okay to pause, to breathe, to connect before you teach. So, thank you all for listening. If this story reminded you of your own classroom chaos, tell me in the comments. How do you handle distracted students? Don't forget to give it a like and to subscribe to Stairs to Excellence because we keep it real here. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye.